Welcome to this tutorial on City Ledger Management in eGlobe HMS. In this video, you'll learn what the City Ledger is and why it's used, how to transfer guest dues to the City Ledger, and how to manage invoices, payments, charges, and credit accounts step by step. Let's get started. Why is City Ledger used? City Ledger is used in hotel software to manage credit payments that are not collected from guests during checkout. Instead of taking immediate payment from the guest, the hotel transfers the outstanding amount to credit accounts such as corporate companies, travel agents, OTAs, government accounts, and regular credit customers. The payment can then be collected later and managed through the City Ledger module. Start by selecting the booking you want to transfer to the City Ledger. Then go to Manage Booking. You land on a new page. From the left side menu, click Payments and Billing, then Payment Credits. A new payment window will open. Click Receive Payment. Under Payment Type, select City Ledger. Choose the room and guest name. Then select the City Ledger account. This account can be corporate, travel agent, OTA, or customer credit account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Add payment remarks and the received by person name. Click Submit. That's it. The booking amount is now moved to the City Ledger. Step 2. Open the City Ledger module. Now go to Cloud PMS City Ledger. Once you're in, you'll see several important sections: Settings, Accounts, Charges, Payments, Invoice List, Account Logs. You can also view all the details for each City Ledger account, including account name, account type, contact details, balance due, unassigned credits, transaction date. This gives you a complete overview of every credit account in one place. Step 3. Assign charges to an invoice. First, select the ledger account you want to work with. Then go to the Charges section. To assign it to an existing invoice, select the charge you want to add and click on Assign to Invoice. Again, select Charges. Then choose the invoice you want to assign it to and press the button. The charges will now be added to that invoice. To create a new invoice instead, go to the Invoice section and create a new invoice. Once it appears, assign the charges to it using the same steps above. Step 4. Assign payments to invoice. Start by going to the Payments tab. Once you're there, you might see a payment labeled as Unassigned Payment. That simply means it's a credit payment and hasn't been linked to any invoice yet. To fix that, select the payment you've received, then click on Assign Payment to Invoice. You'll now see a list of all pending or due invoices. Choose the correct invoice, enter the amount you want to apply, and click the button to assign the payment. And that's it. The payment is now linked. To post a new payment, first, enter the amount. Then choose the payment mode like cash, bank transfer, or card. Next, add any remarks if needed. Finally, click the Post Payment button. Now you'll see that we have an additional credit payment available. Step 5. Add additional charges. You can also post extra service charges like AV rental, room rental, banquet hall, other add-ons. Here's how to do it. First, go to Charges tab, then select Post New Charges. Next, choose the item to charge for, enter the amount. Then assign it to an invoice. Finally, click on Post Charges. Now you'll see the new charge added. You can even add OTA booking charges from City Ledger. Select the OTA booking charge. Fill in the required details. Assign it to an invoice. Post the charges. Once that's done, just follow the same steps to manage your invoices and payments. Simple, fast, and all in one place.